what's up? How are we doing today? We have a wig install, a frontal install today. I'm kind of happy about that because I need to look put together. I have like few strands left for my lashes. My hair is, yeah, quite a mess. Okay, I managed to like brush the edges back, but the rest of the hair is a mess, and I've just been like looking crazy this week, and I'm happy to get this installed because I feel like it would look nice for the weekend we're getting into. Okay, so today's unit is from Beauty Forever Hair. First of all, I really like this bag. I feel like this would be like a very nice carry-on bag, like to keep your makeup and skincare when you try. Ooh, like I love the curls. Like I love these kinky curls. Now these curls are beautiful. Like first impression, I love the curls. Now looking at the lace, it is a pre-everything wig. So this being a pre-everything wig, the lace has been cut. You can see that nice zigzag cut. You can also see that it has been plucked, and the knots also have been bleached. It's also a bye-bye knot wig, so that means extra like super tiny knots, and plus it's already bleached, so it's like gonna give natural, it's going to give scalp. Okay, I'm quite excited for a pre-everything frontal, and I love this type of wigs because like beginner friendly, definitely. So if you're a beginner getting into like frontals, this is like a good place to start. So once you get it, you're not bothered with like, oh, I have to cut the lace, I have to customize it, all of that. So looking at the cap, we have the elastic band, of course, and then we've got the hooks and we've got the comb here. So I'm getting maximum hold, and that's what I want. The cap itself, this part is thin and breathable. I love these caps so much because when it gets hot, the last thing you want is for your head to be hot. The curls are so beautiful. We have like nice kinky curls, and this hair length is 24 inches. Of course it's shorter because it's 24 straight out, then it's curled. Okay, I love this already. I'm touching the hair and the texture looks good. I'm just really excited to see how this hairline will come out. They've also already included the tapes here that you can use for the installs. I'm going to try to install it with these tapes, but first of all, there might be excess lace that we might need to cut off, and the tape is already like at the edge. So let's see how we're going to deal with curls. I absolutely love it. So it's properly like dry now, and I've like fluffed up the curls as well. I did that while doing my makeup, and I absolutely love like the curls. Honestly, I didn't use like a lot of products because hair mousse sometimes tends to like make the hair a bit hard, so like going with more of water and then less mousse is like perfect for wigs. So we're almost there. I want to lift up this front part a bit more. I feel like it makes it look more beautiful to me. I think we're good. And you guys know when I have volume curls, we're going to play around with the styling. I want to open up the side parts, definitely try out another hairstyle. You know, let's just have fun with this unit. You guys ready to get styling? Is the side parts now. I underestimated the volume of this hair. Like the volume is a lot. Like I feel like the side part just open it up a lot more. I also did a C part. It was a little bit of a struggle because I did not have a lot of parting space. You know, it's just being 4 inches deep, but I was able to make it work. The trick is actually just to drag it forward enough. So instead of it stopping like here to like here, like let the C be like a full C. In fact, make it a U if you can, so that way it makes up for, you know, not having a deep parting space. I use hairspray to like keep the hair in place, and the hot comb as well. Sorry, I might have been touching my hair, might have been touching my mic. This hair, the volume is just a lot. So if you're a lover of like big puffy hair, then definitely this unit is for you. You can also like tame it, let me put it that way. You would just need like more products than I use, so spray it with more water, and of course go heavy on the mousse. Okay, another thing I have to commend Beauty Forever for is how soft the hair is. So like opening up the parting space, you know, it can get tough sometimes, okay, especially if you've like defined the curls, use like some hair mousse, but like it was actually quite, you know, soft, gentle to do. So I love how soft this hair is. Like straight out of the box, it felt like really soft, really good. So that's a plus for me. And we're moving on to our next hairstyle. I saw this hairstyle on TikTok and I'm like, it would be great to recreate since I have curly hair. I've done the middle. It's really nice. It's really nice. You can see how defined the curls like at the bottom are. Like I want to separate like some of it. Definitely like a glam updo. You can wear this for like dinner, like a shoot, something, or you just want, you know, some extraness that day, then totally do this hairstyle. So all I had to do was make the base, take it to the back, and then I'm holding it at the back with like some bands. This part divided the rest of the hair into two, packed one up, and the rest is down. Okay, with curly hair, have fun. Like that's like my trick. If you're gonna buy curly hair and you wear it one way, you are not getting the value of your money. Like open up the parting, have fun, and especially if it's a frontal like this one, like just have fun with it. So with styling this hair, I definitely recommend this unit for like beginners because of the texture of the hair and also the fact that it's a pre-everything frontal. So the tapes, I mean, the tape is still holding it down here, so that's what's holding this side and also this side here. So far so good. I have been wearing this wig for looking at the time now, about 4 hours. Actually, I've been wearing this wig for 4 hours and the tape is still holding it in. So I think this is safe to use when going out. So if you have to go out, like just tape it in the morning, and I think it's gonna be there with you like for the whole day, honestly. So I recommend using this and using the tapes. So once this is out, I'm going to replace it. Now my problem is, okay, I think these are decent amount of tapes because one like this has 4 tapes in total, so I think it would definitely like do like multiple wears. But yeah, let me know which style is your favorite and what you think about this unit. The length that I have on is 24 inches. The density is 180% density, and I have something exciting for you guys. It is Beauty Forever's 8th anniversary, so happy birthday Beauty Forever hair. And that means that there's going to be massive discounts. So this October, you want to check out their website. It is actually on the 16th and 17th of October to be specific. So discounts running, sales running. You want to check the description box for more information, and of course a direct link to this unit is the best time to like shop from them. I have other wigs from them on this channel, so you can check it out. If this is not your vibe, you can totally get something from them on a sale because of their anniversary. Once again, happy birthday Beauty Forever hair. Thank you for, you know, making us look, you know, this good. Okay, I love you guys so much. Please do subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you on my next